If you want to scan documents on the Samsung Galaxy A27, first of all, we need to open the camera app. Once you open the camera app in the photo mode, if you point at the document that you want to scan, then most likely here in the bottom right corner of the preview, you will find like a little icon with the letter T. Let me actually try to show it up again because now it doesn't. There we go. So we should be able to tap over here. And let's wait for that. And in this case, we have the text highlight, but we can tap on this icon like this page over here to switch to scanning, and then you should be able to adjust it. You can still retake if you want to. So now let's try to just point at the document, and let's see if the camera is going to show up this option. Hopefully it does. In case it doesn't work for you at all, and then you can tap on these 4 dots on the right side, and you can go to settings. And then here we need to make sure that in scan documents and text, this option is enabled. There's also the auto scan option, but in my case, I just don't want to use it right now. So let me try to point at the document and try to get this button over here. There we go. I decided to just stick with one page over here. So let's tap on it now. And let's see what is going to happen now. Here we go. Let's switch to the page, of course, just again. And now we should be able to, of course, adjust the page in case something goes wrong, in case something is selected incorrectly. And then we can just tap on Save. And there we go. We have our page scanned. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.